Hi everyone, this is Michelle from Forza Nampak Machinery. Today it's my great honor to introduce our vegetable flow packing machine model LP600X. The machine is suitable to pack leaf vegetable, melons and fruits. This is the controlling panel, the temperature adjustment button, the start of button, and the touchscreen. In the touchscreen, the parameter setting is convenient and quickly. This is the thermal transfer printer.
This is the ink code. Comparing with the Invico printer, the thermal transfer printer can print more information such as company logo, company name, and address, the formula, and the two-dimensional barcode.
This is the color sensor to read the field and then cut the bag perfectly. This is the tailor store. We put the product here and then transfer to the main packer. Because there are too many different sizes of vegetables in the market, so our engineer researched and developed this function. There are two color sensors can connect with the computer, and the computer can calculate what is the product length automatically and cut the product and make the bag perfectly and save the rows. The vegetable come to the vertical ceiling and then to the end ceiling. This is the finished product.